What's up, everyone? We're here in the garage getting ready to continue working on the Miata, and I was in the middle of a timing belt change just because I wanted to get that out of the way. I kind of pushed it off for a while, so getting that all situated. And while I was taking everything apart, I decided to powder coat all of the IC piping as well as paint the valve cover, so I'll show you guys that. And also, while I had the radiator out, I decided to go with a new Mishimoto radiator, so we're going to install that as well as handle any other things that pop up. First thing I'm going to do is just clean up this surface and reinstall the valve cover after I apply some silicone at these corners. So let's get that on real quick. Alright, valve cover is back installed. If you guys didn't notice, I also cut out the cover that goes on top of the cam gears. I do think it's more aggressive and I do dig the look. Not really concerned about stuff getting in there, but we'll see. Now we just have to hook up our spark plugs and the wires. So let's get that out of the way. For the spark plugs, I'm going with the BK7REs, NGKs, and I'm gapping them to 0.028. Getting closer. Now I'm just going to install this water pump alternator belt. Here's the new beautiful 2-row Mishimoto radiator. So I'm just going to transfer the fans that were on the stock radiator onto this one. And I'll probably have to modify the shrouds a little bit just so it fits with the piping for the intercooler. And look who's joined us. What's up, little man? Alright, radiator's installed. All I had to do is kind of offset those brackets just a little bit, but it fits mint. Everything's good to go. Fan is in place. Now I just have to finish all the connections, so I'm just going to run through this real quick. But I basically have my catch can, intercooler piping, idle speed, and then my coolant hoses. After that, we could start it up. Alright guys, well we have the coolant system topped off, everything is tightened down, good to go to start this thing. And after I verify that it's running and there's no leaks or anything like that, I am going to check the base timing just to make sure everything's still good because we did change the timing belt. Alright, so let's give it a whirl. Alright, everything's checking out, so we're good to go. I will say, how cool is it when we have these exposed cam wheels shown? I think it looks badass. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you're enjoying the Miata build thus far. At this point we have a brand new radiator, timing belt, water pump, and the engine bay starting to come along with those powder coated pieces. On to the next project. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.